because we supply a lot of Welsh makers here in the gallery and we work with a lot of Welsh artists and applied artists, we just felt it would be so useful for us all to learn Welsh and the basic skills in Welsh. So we do have a lot of customers who come in who communicate to us in Welsh, and we've just identified it'd be nice to have some lessons so that we can actually reinforce it and get it sort of fixed, that we can actually make those greetings without reading off notes, and it becomes sort of second nature really. We have everything bilingual here in the gallery. We have the wording so people can read it. It's part of what the council promotes. We've been bilingual for over 43 years, but I think it's so important for the staff to feel confidence that they can pronounce it. We answer the phone in Welsh. Every time we pick up the phone, we answer it in Welsh, Bore da. We greet people in Welsh when they come in, but it'd be nice then to take that conversation even further. So we will be taking some lessons further, and those are planned in the future for all the staff here who feel they need to do it. And I think it then reinforces our ethos here of being a bilingual gallery, and I think it's really important for Wrexham.